Investing in the training and skills development of your workforce is key to your organization's success. For over 2 decades, Conestoga College has enabled businesses to increase their quality and productivity through tailored training solutions. We work with you to identify skill gaps in your workforce and develop a comprehensive training plan. Whether you're looking for a half-day workshop or an intensive program, Conestoga has the offering to meet your needs. We create engaging training solutions designed to upskill your employees on tasks specific to your organization. Available at a time and place that best suits your business's needs, training can take place in person, on or off-site, virtually, or contain a mix of both. Our specialized faculty will guide your employees through custom-designed workshops to meet your specific training needs. Online training options allow employees to access training off-shift, across different time zones, and at their own pace. Our cutting-edge online learning is media-rich and breaks away from the traditional learning format. It can include discussions, assessments, visual content, interactive elements, engaging activities, and more. Invest in your organization's future with customized training from Conestoga College.